Okay, guys, so thank you for accessing this additional bonus training. This is going to blow your little socks off, and I really mean it. When I first discovered this, I was like, how is this not all over the web? What the what, right? The reality is that very, very few people know that this is actually something you can do. And it works at the moment. Who knows? Is Facebook going to revoke our rights in a couple months' time? Who knows? But for the time being, definitely use this for your clients. It is powerful stuff. Now, what we're doing is we're going to be using Facebook's data company called Acxiom to populate or create, if you will, our targeting, and then to set it up in our clients' ad accounts. Yeah, I'm not even kidding. They will do that. So it's crazy stuff, and they do it within 24 hours, which is even crazier. So here's how we're going to do it. Now I'm going to show you, for example, I've got this campaign running at the moment, and I'm just going to quickly have a peep at what I'm doing in here. Targeting wise, I think these are all... Okay, so we're using Amy Porterfield, Boom Social, Kim Gars, digital marketer, Jeff Walker, da-da-da. So we're targeting entrepreneurs, coaches, the likes, those types of people. Now, what we want to do is we're going to access Data Guru, and there's a link underneath, guys, so make sure you just click on that. It is www.acxiom.com/data-guru. This is Facebook's data company. Now you're going to click this link and you're going to go in here and you're going to submit your details. So let's quickly go through and do that together. 8loopsocial.com, and we're going to go 8loop. And this one is for 8loop. And I'm going to add my number. And then they're obviously collecting data on us while they're at it. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to do international country data request for targeting. So we want to have information around what we should be using for our targeting. And what we're going to do in here is select whatever country that you're doing it, and you're going to run, hi, not hey, I'm trying to target women aged, let's say 29 to 44 who are coaches and consultants in the US. Can you provide me with any insights on how to target? Kind regards, Kat. Now, obviously this is, dependent on who you're going. So let's say you're working for a gym and you're needing some advice and you're looking to target women who are going to go to the gym. Obviously make this suited to your client or whatever you're trying to achieve, right? You should have some idea based on what they're selling, right? So if they're selling men's bow ties or the likes, right? You're not selling this to a 16-year-old, right? So you have an idea, a brief idea, just let them know the brief idea. Now submit this and they will respond to you within 24 hours with the targeting, and then they'll ask you if you would like them to set it up for you, in which case you just say yes. And this is what happens when they do that. So we're just going to go in here. And as you can see in here, once they set it up, here's how you're going to access it. You're going to go into more categories, partner categories by request, and then you're going to select Acxiom, and the targeting is all going to be set up there. So they're going to create a lot of different targeting sets for you, business owners, for this case, working women. Now, this works really, really well, guys. So I think I mentioned before, we had a client. We were using, the typical Marie Forleo, Lewis Howes, Frank Kern, that type of stuff. Didn't have enough information for lookalikes or custom audiences. So we were limited to interest targeting. And as we all know, every man and his dog are trying to use that type of targeting. So it was just not working. The conversions were costing a lot of money. Now, since Acxiom has gone in, and the reason it's blanked out is she needs to update her payment method, and that's why it's blanked out at the moment. But, which is why I can't click on anything. So unfortunately, bad timing. But Acxiom went in, set everything up after we requested it, and converting now at around $2 per webinar registration, which is fantastic. It's spot on. That's exactly where you want it to be. So it is working phenomenally across our clients. This is a very little known hack that you can apply with your clients. In fact, you know, if you're pitching for clients, this is a hack that will impress them really, really well. If you tell them, I have access to Facebook's data research company, and they're going to create the targeting for me. If that doesn't impress a potential client, I don't know what does, because it's the truth. You do have access to them, and they will create it for you, and they actually will even set it up in your ad account. As you can see here, they save the audiences for us. So go forth and conquer, really, is all I can say. This is going to be really powerful for you in your targeting. Now, I hope to see you at the live training, because I'm going to be going into more targeting tricks and tips. But really, for anyone looking to work with clients, this is a must-know hack. Don't share it too much, because Facebook might revoke our access for this pretty soon. Sorry, Acxiom might revoke our access. But for the time being, it works, so use it. All right, guys, thanks again for accessing this training. And I'm really, really excited to connect with you all in the upcoming workshop.